My name is Chris Olson, and I want to thank you for joining this Introduction to Simulation. I'm just going to go over just a very high-level 10,000-foot look at simulation in general, just what it is, why we use simulation in the first place. In the most basic terms, better is we want to make our products stronger, we want to make them cheaper, and we want to make them lighter. When it comes to using simulation, and we specifically talk about this with SOLIDWORKS simulation. We're going to get a simulation tab up at the top, so under your command manager, and that's where everything related to simulation lives. So once you create the analysis, it creates the study down here at the bottom, and it acts kind of like Excel, where you have different sheets, and each sheet is a part of a tab at the bottom. It's a good check very quickly to the performance of your part. So you can see down here at the bottom, the yield strength is listed as 80, basically 90,000 psi. But our max stress is 50,000 psi. We can use this information to really make better design decisions rather than just going with our gut or going with what we've always done. Hopefully this was a benefit to you guys that you can use to kind of get your feet wet. If you have this tool, you can utilize it some.